Respiratory system. Lungs. We need to breathe air because it contains oxygen. Each cell in our body needs oxygen to release the energy from the food we eat. This energy keeps our cells alive. Oxygen is taken from the air by our respiratory system. This consists of a nose, throat, windpipe, and lungs. Lungs are the primary organs through which oxygen is passed into the bloodstream and is carried to all the body parts. The lungs are one of the body's major organs. They are responsible for supplying oxygen to the blood and for removing unwanted carbon dioxide. Protected by the rib cage, they take up most of the space inside the chest and are separated from the abdomen by a sheet of muscle called the diaphragm. They are made of elastic tissue and can expand and contract. Filled with tiny airways ending in air sacs, they are light and spongy. These sacs provide a vast surface area, which means that the blood passing over them can absorb the maximum amount of oxygen in the shortest possible time. Airways. The airways of the respiratory system start at the nostrils. These holes are connected to passages that join up in the throat. The air then passes to the larynx and down through the trachea. The windpipe divides at the bottom into two bronchial tubes which branch off into the lungs. Bronchial tree. The network of airways inside the lungs is often called the bronchial tree. The two main airways branch off to the left and right, dividing into smaller and smaller branches. The smallest of these branches are called bronchioles. Air sacs. Bronchioles end in clusters of alveoli that are just one cell thick. The alveoli are covered by tiny capillaries through which the blood cells pick up oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Human lungs contain almost 1,500 miles of airways and are over 300 million alveoli. The human body needs a constant supply of oxygen to survive. When we breathe in air, we get 21% oxygen as air is carried to the lungs through the air passages. There, the oxygen is transferred to the blood. Blood rich in oxygen is then pumped by the heart to the rest of the body. When we breathe out, we expel carbon dioxide, which would be harmful to us if it remained in the body. Exhaled air contains 100 times more carbon dioxide and half as much oxygen as inhaled air. Every time we breathe, we move air in and out of our lungs. But our lungs cannot move on their own. Breathing depends on our ribs and diaphragm as they make our lungs suck in and squeeze out air through our nose and mouth. When we are resting, we normally breathe in and out through our nose. The space inside is warm, moist, and covered with sticky mucus. Air comes in. Harmful germs are trapped by the mucus. The air goes down the throat and the windpipe. Here too, a flap of skin is positioned to prevent food from passing into the windpipe when we swallow. Breathing in. To breathe in, the muscles between our ribs pull the ribs up and out, and our diaphragm pushes down. This makes more space in our chest and air is sucked into our lungs. Breathing out. When we breathe out, our rib muscles move down and our diaphragm moves up. The space in our chest reduces and air is squeezed out from lungs. Plants are our partners in breathing. We breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen for us to breathe it in.